Voce Bella. On your student schedule, it's listed as Women's Chorale, but 2 years ago we decided that name is lame, and so we want something prettier. So this is Voce Bella, and they are beautiful young ladies who have been singing so well this year. They're going to start with a very classical piece of music. It's from an oratorio opera called Xerxes, and it's really just about walking through nature and admiring the beauty of the trees and everything around you, and probably being so adoring of those things because you are deeply in love. And so these ladies are going to sing for you. Thank you again for coming tonight.